Let me tell you, when we do charity, okay, we don't go pose and talk about or tell about what we give. Yes, I've been giving to Arnett Garden since 1981, when I first get my major break in Jamaica. Western Union, MoneyGram, Rare, took about 13 people to the UK and America. So that's why I give charity. If you don't see me out there running up and down like Vice Cartel and Taggy and Sean Paul, trying to be in the media, no, you won't see me out doing that. Most stay anonymous. Eek-A-Mouse. Yeah. Been performing a few gigs. Every time I have them singing, Jamaica, Jamaica, go away, hurricane, no more hurricane, ding ding. Alright, Jamaica, alright, Junglist, Western Union, all time, ding ding.